ulan po dito ngayon sa Lebanon. Malakas po ang hangin kahapon at gabi. Sobra. Nag-hailstorm po dito sa Lebanon. Mahangin po. Tapos na po ang winter. Kaso every ganyan. Kaso umuulan at malamig. Malamig. Bahay, magluluto po tayo dito ng chicken. Ayan, nalinis ko na po siya. Hi mga kapitbahay, naghanda po ako dito. Magluluto po ako ng chicken pang lunch namin ng mga bata. Okay. Ihanda na natin. Narinig nyo ba yung bell ng simbahan? Lapit lang po kami dito. Kaya naririnig namin. So, magluto na po tayo para maaga po tayong kakain. Kami lang ng mga bata. Okay, so ayan na po. Marinate natin ang ating chicken. Lagyan natin ng onion, sugar, salt, paprika, olive oil, soy sauce, lemon, chicken legs po ito. Hello guys, labas tayo, kuha tayo ng potato. Ito na po yung na-harvest ko sa aking garden. Pasensya sa aking balkon dahil marumi. So, ayan, maliliit po ang kunin natin para sa ating lulutuin na chicken. Grilled chicken siya. Pero ilagay ko po siya sa tawag nito, sa air fryer. Yes. I'm taking patata here, Mama. What you want?
I don't have to.
Wait, just I'm coming. Yan. Nagre-review ang mga bata dahil may exam po sila. Gaganta natin. Parang kasi mga anak ko patata ba? Kaya siguro yun. Okay. So, Mama, what do you want? Kuha po tayo ng yung green peas ba yun? Baby green peas. Check natin dahil malakas po ang ulan. Kuha tayo ng mga maliliit. Pinapalaki ko sila dahil mas okay. Umulan po dito sa lugar namin na ang lakas-lakas na diligan sila. Malalaki na po ang ating full faba beans. Yan. Ang bilis lumaki, ano. Nahuhulog ang mga bulaklak niya. Walang daming nahulog, sayang. Oh, dahil sa malakas na ulan and then hangin kagabi, sayang. Ay nako, mga ganito oh, baby siya. Yan oh. Malalaki na dito. ganito guys. Oh. Okay.
But if you go to the garden, you keep the door open.
Eh?
You keep the door open.
I know, wait. I'm coming. What you want? You look, I harvest
What you harvest?
for food. You
Huh?
see?
What's this?
Green peas.
You even organize the whole day?
Yeah, you see? But they full.
Where's the potato?
Potato I removed yesterday. You didn't see in the bucket? Yeah, I show you. Yeah. Yeah, let's go now.
Oh, the potato?
Yeah.
It's not, the door is open. The door is open.
Where is they? Huh?
Lugay.
What lugay?
No, I...
Gulay, yan ay
gulay. Yes, gulay.
vegetable.
Yeah, that's gulay.
But this is green peas, basela, baby basela.
What is lugay then?
Maki. Gulay.
Lugay isn't a word.
Kaya ito, magluluto na si mami. So, ilagay natin ito sa air fryer, guys. Unahin natin itong onion. Okay, yan. Natin itong sauce na pinagmarinatan natin. Ito ang pangpahid natin mamaya sa ating barbecue. Lagyan pa natin ang ketchup. Ayan, pwede na.
is that?
Sauce of the chicken. Ito ang ating vegetable. Ito na po siya. Wow, ang sarap. Man. Peas. Okay. Okay. Lettuce. Okay, kain na po kids. Yan na po, luto na po ang ating food. Lunch. Dali na kayo anak. Kain na po tayo guys. Thank you Lord sa masarap na ulam na pagkain ngayong araw.
You put ketchup. Wait, mommy, is there ketchup, mommy?
Yes.
Can you put for me the other? Ketchup is hard. It's okay.
Ito yan na.
Yeah, Mom.
Harvest in the garden. Like it? The patata and everything, the presentation. The chicken is good.
Yeah.
I will plant carrots.
I love carrots. Thank you, mommy.
Welcome.
Thank you, mommy.
Okay. Welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hmm?
Enjoy your meal.
Are we gonna go to church, mommy?
Yeah. Eh.
I put here, Daddy.
Eh. It's good, the potato?
Yeah.
The potato is from my garden.
I'm keeping it for last.
Okay. Free but if you want.
Patata.
Ay, non-vegetable. Chicken. Ito na yung green peas, oh. You like the green peas, yan?
I don't have.
Yeah, you have.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if I'm dreaming yesterday night. I was hearing the voice of Ginger.
Ya Allah.
Ginger.
Where were you hearing?
In the bed.
Or you heard her next door?
Perfect meal. If you want, tomorrow take the vegetable for your snacks.
Yeah, I want batata.
Yeah.
I want
Patata,
chicken.
carrots, eh.
I want chicken.
Eh?
You eat chicken at 2 p.m. Napi rice, mommy.
Naghahanap ang rice. Few potato already. It's carbohydrate, the potato.
But rice is life. Rice is fat.
Pinahin na pinagsisa yan.
This is how you become bloated.
After that, I will cook.
You will cook rice at night,
Mm.
and we will eat rice. Yay. It's nice to eat.
Huh? You like the peas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Allah show hai. Oh, burnt. Nice.
No, but well done. It's okay.
Any more chicken?
Yeah,
Okay.
I will give you. Kain po tayo.
Kain pa tayo. Kain pa tayo.
Let's eat.
Yay, now I have batata.
More?
What?
Patata?
Yeah.
Carrots?
No, I want to eat my batata in peace. And peace, never. Besides me.
Si Sharon, gustong gusto niya ng patata. Perfect lunch. Yan.